currently on this load, it's like 9,000 pounds or something. I don't remember. It is, yeah, 9,400 pounds. Goes all the way to Pennsylvania. Pays like $30 a mile. I have until Friday to pick it up. I mean, Friday to deliver it. It's plenty of time. It's supposed to pick up today in like 2 hours, but it was ready yesterday, so I picked it up yesterday. Gals, kind of sucks I can't deliver it early, but that'd have been nice. Hopefully the snowstorm is past by the time I get there. I think it's past now. No loads for Friday. I'm still trying to get one. Pick one up Friday, deliver Saturday to get more on the check. It'd be a nice check. Yeah, now it's snowing. Still got like 720 miles left. It's only Wednesday and I have till Friday anytime. But I have another load for after. Maybe like 80 miles or something. And it's starting to snow harder. I'm in Kentucky, just hit 65. Almost to Louisville. I think I've done like 100, 150 miles today so far. It's a tiring day. Rough night's sleep last night. Cincinnati. Still about 600 miles to go. Almost 600. Just under 600. To Columbus. There's the stadium. It's a big stadium. Got some traffic on the other side. about time to stop for the night anyways. But I just stopped at Sheets. And then got a couple hot dogs. It was good hot dogs. Pennsylvania. Yeah, I should get there about 6:37. Stop somewhere before. Is this rain even up there maybe? Then deliver early in the morning. And hopefully they have it empty. So I have a live load maybe 80 miles away after that. One to Indiana for Saturday. Now I finished unloading and now I'm just sitting here waiting for the paperwork to get finished. It's already been like 40 minutes just for paperwork. Now I'm already an hour late to my next pickup. I can come back here, but now I know it's a live unload, so I'll plan better. Yeah, I finally got out of there. Took like an hour-ish, hour and a half to get the paperwork. Then I was having trouble getting back to the highway, so that took a little bit. But I'm back on the highway, heading towards there. I still got like 25 miles, 24 miles in there. And hopefully they still take me, and hopefully they load me pretty fast so I can get out of there. Head over to Indiana. Be there tomorrow. I think it's like 700 miles. 700 plus miles. So I still have some driving to do today. Over the bridge. Picture that's cool. It's New York. Welcome to New York. This is what they got going on currently in PA on I-80. We have a lot of states shut down. They only have parts of this shut down, so I think I'm good. Some snow going. Got like 560 miles ago. But they currently still have Ohio shut down. If they would open up Ohio, then I should be able to get there. But they still haven't sent a message as to what is open, what is closed. So hopefully they'll send a message saying what's open, what's closed within like a couple of hours. That's how long I got to go to Ohio. And we'll see. Yeah, so I stopped at Pilot for a couple hours because they gave a updated email saying that Ohio, Indiana, and a bunch of other states are going to be closed. So I was just taking my time and decided I could drive a little bit more to like the border of Pennsylvania and Ohio. At least get me a little closer for tomorrow. And then like 5 to 10 minutes after I start driving, they send another email saying west of like 219 in PA, I guess all the way to the Ohio border, is closed, shut down. And I'm like 20 miles or something from it. 20 to 40 miles, somewhere around there. So now I have to stop again. Currently on I-70 in Ohio, almost to Dayton. Still got 150 miles to go to delivery to Indianapolis. To Indiana. It's to Whitestone. And it was supposed to be there yesterday, but with them closing PA down, I had to pull over and stop. Didn't do much yesterday. But this load, yeah, I got to the pickup and there was a few trucks waiting to get loaded. And by the time it got to me, it was about an hour and a half. Maybe a little over an hour and a half. Because all they was working out was one dock door. But it only took them like 30 minutes to load me. Then I got out of there, did maybe 200 miles or something, I don't remember. Didn't work for the night. Drove enough to just make it to the delivery yesterday, but all that happened with the snow and stuff. This load is like 8,700 pounds. Weighs like 217 a mile for like 700 miles. 700 something miles. I still don't have a load for after yet. It's still Sunday.